Alright, I got the motor out of the city car, and yes, it was missing the rubber spider in there. Looking at the brushes though, we notice as I turn the commutator, we get one spot where, well, where is that spot? Alright, so the spot is right here, and if I can keep my hand from shaking, we see that the brush moves up and down just a little bit. That's from where the thing sat with this dirt on the, or with the brush on the commutator, and the moisture and whatnot gradually made a deposit of that dust right on there. So we got to clean that up, and that's what I'm going to do next. So I've taken the brush off, and you look here, all that's fine, and there's where the brush sat. And that's what's given us why our motor is not running all the time when we had our battery on it, because if it stops at that spot there, it's too dirty to make a connection to get started again. So there's probably 4 of those spots, and we have something called a ComStone that we're going to use.